So rolling up to this project in Point Pleasant, New Jersey, where we are installing our formal porcelain water feature. The customer picked the tile. We showed it, we fabricated it back at the shop, and guys just got here a little bit ago. So we got our Aquatic Artists installation system set up in the backyard, and now we're ready to take this baby off the trailer. She's ready to roll. Bring it into the backyard, right? Bring it into the backyard, bam, drop it in place. Easy peasy, baby. This backyard is so cool. It's got this super like contemporary, like I guess you'd call it like Miami kind of feel. South Beach, really cool. And this customer does it up with the palm trees. He gets the tropical palms, so it'll look like Miami down here in about a month or two. So this is our system, right? It's a chain hoist, right, that we use to jack it up, and then it's a trolley system, right? So it rolls in place, right? This thing will roll. We'll bring the unit in and then roll this thing right into place, and then use this to kind of jack it down into place. So it's exciting to see stuff you design and fabricate and engineer and build, see it in action. It's pretty exciting. Yeah.